Everyone, so I'm recording this video to talk more about adlabs and do a full masterclass. So if you go on YouTube and search adlabs tutorial Pietro Mappers on our YouTube channel, we have a full playlist regarding adlabs, how to use it, a full tutorial about the full software, all the steps, all the session of the software, because it's a very good software. We use it every day. We use it since around 2024, I think. Because it's so good, it's helping Amazon ads to be automated, efficient, to make Amazon ads profitable, right? So you can find the full tutorial on our YouTube channel, or you can search on YouTube with our name, Success Mappers AdLabs Tutorial. But this video and the next video that I will publish in the playlist on our channel is to go more in depth in each section of the software. Because the software has a lot of sections, and I want to explain to you more in details the section and also how to use each section practically. Because I understand that you need a process if you manage Amazon ads. You need a A to Z step-by-step process to make ads profitable. So this is just to introduce the topic. Now I'll talk about more in details about the profile section of this software, how we use it, why it's important, how to make profit out of it. Yeah, to start, this is the page where you subscribe, right? And there is the page where you sign in. So if you don't have the account already, you can go here. There is our code here, success. With this coupon, you get the free first month and then 25% off on the plan. So it's a big discount. And now we look together at. So here is where you connect the account. As you can see, this is the section we're talking about now. Is the insight section, the profile overview, right? And usually where you manage Amazon ads with AdLabs, this is the starting point. So we go in the profile section. This is the screenshot of the profile section. And this video will be about the profile section. In the next videos, I will talk about all the other steps, how we use it. So you open your account. So your account is connected to AdLabs, and you want to monitor the metrics. You want to see the results, and you want to start to optimize, right? To see what's going right or wrong. Each marketplace that you connected is here. So all the profiles is here. So in the bottom left here, you have the profile. You will see, for example, if you have multiple European marketplaces, you have USA, Italy, France, Germany. So each profile has a different metrics, right? The good thing about this section is it puts together all the metrics of your account. So here you can see the big numbers. The main metric you need to look here are the TACOs and ACOs of the full account to understand exactly what's the TACOs and the ECOs, or the total ROAS. And then you can see in each profile, a different profile section. So each marketplace, the different targets of TACOs and ECOs. So if you go in the bottom left, you see target ECOs and target TACOs. So this is how you should do this section. You have your products. You know that you have a profit margin. So for example, if you're a producer, maybe the profit margin could be high. Like it could be like around 35, 50%, 60%. If you are a reseller, it's very small, right? If you're a retail seller. If you are a reseller from China, you can expect maybe 30% profitability on the good products, right? If you are a reseller from the marketplace of sale, like for example, if you sell in Europe and you produce in Europe, the margin could be a little bit less because you have a return of investment, faster return of investment, so that you can sometimes have margins that is lower. And of course, it depends also of your niche. Like if you sell supplements, the margins are usually higher, cosmetics is higher. If you sell commodities, the margins are lower. So you take whatever the margin you have. It could be, I would say, a range from 10% to 50%, 60%. You want to decide the allocation of the tacos. Usually the rule, but it really depends on the situation. You take around 25% ideally of the margin of your margin, you allocate as a tacos, so as advertisement spend, right? Be careful because we are talking about product margin, but then on the full account, the product margin is smaller. Because, for example, you have maybe a good product with 60% margin, but then the full catalog has 25% margin. So you need to take that in consideration. So your profile tacos is different than the product tacos that you have for each singular product. But to give an idea, if your profile margins is around 25%, you allocate around 25% to 50% to tacos. So your tacos could be around maybe 7%, something like that. It could be like 6%, let's say. So in this section, what you would do is go in each profile there and you set up in the bottom left the target tacos, the 6% that is your target tacos that you want, right? What the software will do that is very cool, it will color the tacos column green or red based if you are out or inside the target tacos. So this is the first good thing that you need to do. You need to define the target tacos for the full account. For each profile, usually the target tacos is higher in your main marketplace and lower in the secondary marketplaces, or the opposite. It depends how much margin you have to play with it. And then you will have the tacos column highlighted. You will see green or red based on if you're out or inside the target. So this is the first step that we do when we work with clients. Of course, we have been doing Amazon ads for 9 years, so we have a lot of experience, and this is one of the first steps to see what is going good and what is going right, what is going wrong with just looking at it. You select these tacos. The second step, after you select the tacos correctly, you select the target tacos, right? The target tacos, it really depends on the kind of marketplaces. In USA, for example, the tacos is much higher compared to the ratio between tacos and tacos. In Europe, sometimes you have a double or triple tacos, and the tacos is a 50 or 33% of the tacos, right? So the tacos usually is double or triple the tacos in Europe. In USA, sometimes it's more than triple the 4 times. It really depends on the niche. What you need to do is define the target tacos. So in adlabs, what you will do, you will go here and you define, okay, so I want these target tacos. You see the target tacos that you have, highlighted based if it's going good or wrong based on the targets. You see the tacos that you are currently have, and you can estimate how can you change the tacos based on the tacos. So for example, if your target tacos is 6, and you want to have target tacos, and you have a target tacos right now, your tacos is like 10, you know that you need to lower the tacos to reach the target of the tacos. So you will see maybe your tacos right now, for example, here is 29%. Sorry. You have like tacos that, for example, in this example, in the first profile, you see tacos is 15, tacos is 30%. If we want to bring the tacos down to 6%, we know that to have tacos 15, we have tacos 29. So probably we can aim for a tacos of 15% to reach the target tacos. So what we will do, we will define the target tacos based on the current metrics and try to estimate how we need to drive the tacos. So this section, I want to finish this part of this masterclass, is about this. So you need to understand the tacos that you have, your target, your current tacos, and you need to understand how can you define the tacos in a different way to get the target tacos. And you can play with it. It takes time. After you define the target tacos, you will see the column of tacos highlighted by adlabs in red and green. So if it's green, it means you're okay, you're in line. If it's red, it means there is something wrong to fix. You will use this information afterward to go in each profile, and I will show you in the playlist. You can go on our YouTube channel in the full playlist what we do with the profiles. You will use this information to adapt and change the direction of your profiles, making sure to do things correctly. Because if you want to cut the tacos by half, you will have big problems with placement, for example. We've seen it over and over and over in all the accounts that we manage. You need to be careful what you change. You need to change it correctly or you fuck up your sales. So this is what you need to do. So just to conclude the video, this is the starting of the masterclass. Go on the YouTube channel to see the full playlist for free, right? If you want to sign up to the account or you want to sign up to a new account to get the 25% off, use the code SUCCESS, in capital letter SUCCESS. You will get the 25% off in the 3 months. And of course, usually on our website, in our YouTube description, in our social media link, you find our PPC guide, how to make your ads profitable in 24 hours. This is our best guide. You can go there and download it for free. Or you can get a free call with me. So if you want us to look together at your ad labs or set up your advertisement and do everything regarding advertisement, you can get a call for free. And keep in mind that in this masterclass, we'll talk about the software. We'll talk about the software, but a lot of the work is done before the software. So when you set up the campaigns, when you select the targets in the campaigns, that's the most profitable thing. So I will talk about ad labs, all the masterclass, but keep that in mind. So thank you. See you in the next video.